Hi everyone, I'm Mike from Excel Distance Calculators, where we specialize in creating powerful and easy-to-use Excel tools designed to streamline your workflow. For over 16 years, we've been helping businesses automate tasks, save time, and improve accuracy. And today, I'm excited to introduce a really cool tool, the Reimbursement for Travel Calculator. Every week, we hear from businesses, freelancers, and individuals who need a fast and reliable way to calculate travel reimbursement. With over 7,500 satisfied customers ranging from startups to large corporations and 130-plus five-star Google reviews, we're proud to offer solutions that make a real difference. This tool is designed to take the hassle out of tracking mileage and calculating reimbursements, ensuring accuracy and efficiency. The Reimbursement for Travel Calculator is an Excel-based tool that integrates with Google Maps to calculate driving distances and generate reimbursement amounts automatically. Whether you're handling employee reimbursements, managing personal travel expenses, or tracking business-related mileage, this tool will simplify the entire process. Getting started is easy. You'll need a Google Maps API key, which we walk you through step by step in the video guide linked in the description. Once you set it up, go to the Settings tab and set your per mile reimbursement amount. In this example, it's $1.15. Next, set the non-reimbursable distance to exclude the first few miles of a trip, such as the first 3 miles. For toll road preferences, choose whether to avoid toll roads. Lastly, select the distance unit, choosing between miles and kilometers for your calculations. Once your settings are configured, simply enter the following details into the spreadsheet. Trip date and purpose, these are optional fields that can be customized to fit your needs. From and to addresses, these are required fields for calculating travel distances. The tool uses Google Maps to determine the driving distance between your entered locations. Note that full addresses work best for accurate results. After entering your trip details, just click the Calculate button, and the tool will instantly generate the total distance for each trip, the reimbursable distance after deducting non-reimbursable miles, and the total reimbursement amount based on your custom rate. You can download the Reimbursement for Travel Calculator by clicking the link in the description. If you need assistance or customizations, feel free to reach out. We personally respond to emails, and when you call, you'll be speaking directly with Vinny, the mastermind behind Excel Distance Calculators. You can also chat with him via live chat on our website. No bots involved. If needed, he's happy to hop on a Zoom call to help you set up the tool. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Excel-based solutions to improve your workflow. See you next time, and happy calculating.